I gotta walk you off our front porch here. See if I can capture what we're dealing with here. Look at Farah. She didn't know what to do. Here's our van. This is Groundhog Day. I think this means our winter is going to be shorter, right? He's not going to see a shadow, but who knows? We're not in Punxsutawney. I got this camera out. I gotta walk through a 4-foot drift there. I got this camera out to show our back deck. This is incredible. That's the snow line, is basically where the railing is. That is awesome. And there, luckily I left the shed door open a little, so I got a nice drift inside the shed. That was lucky. That was smart thinking on my part. There's Tracy coming out to check out the destruction.